Hello everyone, I'm Aniket and in this video I'm gonna show you how can we access Google's Gemini API from Java Spring Boot application. So in this project I've made an API which recognizes image and for that I've used Google's Gemini model for it. So I will pass this image to this API. So I will select this PNG file and hit send. Yeah, so this API recognizes the image and gives me a response. It gives me a description of that image, what that image is all about. Now let's jump into the code. So this is the controller class with the endpoints for the API, and this controller class is calling this predict image service. So now let's jump into this service over here. So this Vertex class holds the default settings and credentials to make Vertex API calls. The generation config class is used to define parameters like maximum output tokens, temperature, top P sampling, and this is the safety settings that we have configured over here. And then this generative model class, in this generative model class, the generative model dot builder, this initializes new builder for generative model and set dot model name sets the model that we want to use in this. And then this dot set vertex AI sets the vertex AI client instance, which is used to interact with Google Cloud's vertex AI platform. And dot set generation config. This applies configuration settings like token limits and temperature and top P sampling to control how the model generates content. And then dot safety settings applies safety settings to filter out harmful content. And then we convert multi-part file to bytes, and then we create a part maker from image bytes and then generate content from this. And this content maker is a helper class provided by Vertex AI SDK, which is used to construct content objects for input and the generative model. So it helps format and prepare data in way that generative model expects. And then we process this response using response stream. And yeah, that's all I have. I've also attached GitHub link of this project in this description. So do check it out. Thank you so much.